Hey guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to do an unbox portable charger. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go, guys. So I have here a portable charger. This is for the iPhone. You know, if it's compatible in your phone. I hope it will, and we will see. You know, I'm so excited to open this in the box. We'll see. I just got this one from Amazon, and again, this is not a sponsor vlog. I just got this one this morning, so we'll see. So there you go. Ta-dang! Wow. It's a big box, guys. It's a big box. Only small inside. Ta-dang! There you go. So, don't have any bubble wrap on that one. But again, so this is Usinger portable charger. And again, it's compatible for the phone. And this is a 10,000 milliamperes. It's a magnetic for the iPhone. We will see. Nice packaging. Really good. Nice one. So what's in the box? We'll see. Again, they have here a manuals, a USB and USB-C. And there you go. There you go. Come on. Come out. There you go. So this is iPhone 12, 13, and 14 compatible. Wow, nice one. Really nice. So again, I have a iPhone 14, and look at that. Wow. So it charged right away. Look at that. You see that? One more time. Charged right away. Look. Wow. That's amazing. And again, they have what's in here is the power button, and then the USB here, and then they have a screen where you're going to see what's the battery life, and again the what is that, USB-C on the side here. So, but again, wow, it's really light actually, and again, while it's so sturdy, yeah, but again, you know, it doesn't fall. It doesn't fall that way. So it's a nice one. So again, this is a $40, and again, I think it's a 25% off, so that's why I got it $39. But regularly, it's about $50 on this portable for the phone battery pack. If in case you need to, then all you have to do is to put here, and then yeah. So what you're gonna do is just press this one, the button, and I think it's gonna be power off. But again, now you see in the screen it's still on, but probably it will turn off. But again, my impression for this one is really good. It looks like a waterproof kind of, but we'll see what's in here. Okay, so but again, this product is it's about 189 grams. Whoa, it's so light, 189 grams. And again, it's 104 by 68 by 21 millimeter. There you go. So again, they have multiple color. They have blue, black, white, green, purple, and serene blue. Okay. So, but again, This is really nice one. This is really nice product. And this is $52.99, and because it's sale on 25% off, it goes to $39.99. And this is about 10,000 milliamperes per hour. And again, this is compatible with 12, 14, 13, and the color is black at the moment. And this is about the 5 volts. And again, compatible for a MagSafe wireless charger, specific for the iPhone 14, 13, and 12. The series wireless charging, a unique mono absorption technology, has a strong magnetic absorption. No cable needed. You need a quick charge your phone by placing on it. Not easy to drop, easy to carry, compatible with MagSafe case or without the case. Portable stand. Okay, so that is why there's a stand on this one here. Look at that. They have the stand. Oh, beautiful. Nice. You have the stand on this one. So, gonna put it here. You have a stand, right? You have the stand. Beautiful. Foldable stand and compact design, features for versatile built-in foldable kickstand for the holes for your phone, for the 14 and 13 and 12, upright and horizontal for a comfortable view angle. MagSafe portable charger is only 0.41 pounds and a weight of 8.85 inches thickness. You can easily put your pocket or the backpack, take with you everywhere. A fast wireless with a wired charging support 5 watt, 7.5 watt, 10 watt, and 15 watt max wireless charging. 22.5 watt USB PD max of 20 watt USB-C input and output. The magnetic power bank can charge 3 devices at the same time. Multiple safety protection. Yassinger portable magnetic charger has a low temperature ice core integrated with a complete multi-protection safe system. Overload, overcurrent, over-discharge, overheating, short current protection, etc. LED smart display. You can know how much battery on the left of the clear digital display, pressing the power button on the side. So again, on the side, there's a power button, and then USB-C display, USB a 22.5, and then the lightning input 18.8. So that was amazing. This is really good product actually. So but again guys, if you want this one, you can go on Amazon and you can buy it online, and I hope this will help you on your, if you want for traveling, and it's really charging right away. That's one thing that I really like on this, because it's so quick to charge. And I hope when we do charging for this, it takes us about 2 hours or so, and it's gonna be full charge. And the good thing is you can use 3 phones and charge it at the same time, you know. So 1 phone charging here and 1 phone charging for the USB, or charging using the light, the other cable, the lightning cable, no. So but again, I hope it helps you guys, but I really like this one. I really like it. It's a very good product. So all you have to do is to fold this one at the back. Depends on what angle you want to. Nice, right? And then put it in a backpack, put it in a pocket. It's a really nice one. So I hope guys it helps for you if you want to buy this one. My perspective on this one, price range, yeah, it's very I really like this one, and I hope this will help for you for the price of $39 for this. Not bad, and you can charge it, or you can use for 3 phones at the same time, and then while done, charge it again and then use it again. So it's a very nice one. You know, it's very rough. It's not soft really, because you know, when you put it in the table, it will stable, right? It doesn't fall right away, but it's gonna be nice one. So, but again, if you enjoy watching this video and if you like it, please do like and subscribe if you're not yet subscribing my channel. And I think that's about it. And again, thank you so much for watching. This is NoyTebs. God bless and have a wonderful day.